Hey there, money movers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tech tricks to make your financial life easier. Today, we're diving into how to transfer money from Cash App to Barclays in 2025. Whether you're sending funds for everyday expenses or building your savings, this step-by-step guide will get you transferring in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, before you start, make sure you have a few basics sorted. You'll need an active Cash App account and a linked Barclays bank account. If you haven't linked them yet, head to your Cash App settings and follow the prompts to add your Barclays details. This is crucial because it ensures seamless and secure transfers. Step 1. Open your Cash App on your smartphone. It's that green icon with the "See, you know the one." Once you're in, tap on the Banking tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where all your money moving magic happens. Next, look for the Transfer to Bank option. It might be under a submenu, so if you're using the 2025 updated interface, check for any new icons or prompts. Select this, and you'll be asked to choose your destination bank. From the list, pick Barclays. Make sure it's the correct account if you have multiples linked. Now, enter the amount you want to transfer. Double-check this to avoid any slip-ups. You'll see a summary of the transaction, including any potential fees. Remember, in 2025, Cash App might have updated fee structures, so keep an eye out for that. Once you're happy, hit Confirm and authorize the transfer with your PIN or biometric security. After that, sit back and wait. Transfers from Cash App to Barclays typically take 1 to 3 business days, but with 2025's faster banking tech, it could be quicker. Keep an eye on your Cash App notifications for confirmation. A quick tip: always verify your bank balance after the transfer and be cautious of any limits on daily transfers. If you run into issues, like a failed transfer, contact Cash App support or Barclays customer service right away. And there you have it. You're all set to move that money effortlessly. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more financial tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.